All right, guys, this is for all the marbles. Well, we've wrestled around for 6 weeks, and now we're getting ready for the playoffs. Officials coming out of the dressing room, getting ready to make their way onto the field. If the captains would gather together and get ready, we'll get ready to go to work. We'll put a coin in the air, find out who'll get the football first. Then we'll go to work. Somebody's going to the championship. It's coin toss time. Let's go. Representing the Snakes, got center number 50, number 90, Chris Booker, along with number 75, Eric Herter. 44, Scott Moss. Representing the Lightning, number 75, that's Sylvester Reddick. Along with number 20, Jasper Malone, 64. Kenyatta Prescott. 76, Jim Vickers. Lightning get the ball first. Gentlemen, we'll shake hands. Get ready to buckle them up and go to work in LaVergne.
Stiff up a lip. Rock it down!
Oglesby have been kicking off for the Snakes. Back deep for the Lightning, Keon Anderson. Along with number 24, Rod Renzi. Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to roll. Ball marked at the 32-yard line, and that's where the Lightning will take over first and 10. Limestone Lightning. Get our first look at the Lightning. Marcus Turner on the carry, tackled by Hathaway, number 1. Good enough for a first down. It'll be first and 10 for the Lightning, and the ball is marked on the 43. On the run. That's hit. Stopped by number 2, Nick Patterson. Second down, 2nd and 9 now for the Lightning. Ball marked at the 44 and a half. 8:39 left to go here in the first quarter. The quarterback is Galloway, 75. Reddix is the center. They'll run out of the eye. Galloway's pass incomplete. 3rd down now for the Lightning. Clock stops at 8:16 left to go here in the first quarter.
We got delay game right here. Delay game. Delay game. Here we go. Watch this.
The pass is ruled incomplete, and it'll bring up a 4th down situation now for the Lightning. Marr was bum-puzzled. He thought he had it. Back to punt now for the Lightning, number 76. Jim Vickers. Back deep on the reception, number 12. That's awesome. Wardell also. Also runs out of bounds. Jim Vickers catches a little up from the Shamrock. And that's where the Snakes will take over. It'll be first and 10 Snakes. Exchange was quite not on the spot, and Vickers had a little trouble with it, but he got it off. We'll get our first look at the Snakes. It's first and 10 Snakes from the 42, 7:48. The clock spinning into motion.
Between the gate like you always do.
$31, 28-31, guys.
28, Thad Oglesby on the carry. 31, Edward McKinney on the stop.
Where's the guy going? Get back. So I can see how much it is.
2nd and 5 now for the Snakes. Wardell Alsop is the quarterback for the Snakes. Herner's the center. .28, Pat Oglesby on the run. Number 79 on the stop. That's Turner, Sean Turner.
What brand is it? Is it? Is that who? No. Is that who makes it? Who makes the medical tag? Johnson. Yeah, that's who it is.
28 on the carry. 31 McKinney along with number 12. That's Brian the heat-sinking missile Harris. But it's good enough for a first down. The clock kicks back into motion. And also get a fresh set of 4. 1st and 10 now for the Snakes. And the ball is marked at the 46.5. 5:53 left to go here in the first quarter. .64 on the carry, Gabe Baseglia. 31 McKinney on the stop, 3rd tackle of the day for McKinney. Starting off with a marvelous defensive day. 2nd and 8 now for the Snakes. Ball on the 44. .64 on the carry. Baseglia.
Did I say 74? 79. It's 79.
79 on the stop. Turner.
He's confused me. It looks like 74. Up close it looked okay from the distance.
Also thought he was in trouble and then just worked his way out of it, picks up the first down and then some. It's 1st and 10 down for the Snakes. They're on the move.
I think he just ran out of bounds, dude. I don't think it was a tackle. I think he trotted out of there.
25-yard pickup for the Snakes. Got an official timeout. We're working on the box man along with the chains.
Got that worked out.
Ball in. .28 on the carry. That's going to be Oglesby. 50 on the stop. That's Cantrell. Jordan Cantrell. So we'll bring up 2nd down for the Eagleville Snakes. Ball now marked on just about on the 18-yard line. 28, Oglesby on the carry. 6, Dominique Watkins, along with number 24, that's Ramsey, Rod Ramsey. Third down now for the Snakes.
This is where the Snakes have their problems, guys. They can get it down to this area. They can't score. They can't score. Do we even see no 8 on the sideline or anything? They kicked him off the team. Steroids. Snakes don't make the image.
Also dropped back to pass and then decided to run with the heat coming. 31 McKinney on the stop. Wasn't enough for the first. It'll be 4th down, but brought it a little closer to the mark. Let's call it 4th and 5 now for the Snakes. Timeout, Snakes. I'd like to remind you the concession stand is open. Snakes going to try the field goal attempt. Number 23, Davis. The field goal attempt is no good, and that's where the Limestone Lightning will take over the 1st and 10. Lightning. .29, West Virginia beating up on Louisville. About 18:54 left to go in the contest.
Eight on the carry, is that what we got?
8 on the carry, that's Pride. 5 on the tackle, that beat Manuel Oglesby. It'll be 2nd down now for the Lightning. It'll be 2nd and 3 for them. Pickup of a 7 for Pride. Ball marked at the 27-yard line.
One.
44 on the run. It'll be Marcus Turner. Hathaway's going to pick up the tackle. Not before Turner and the Lightning pick up the 1st down. It'll be 1st and 10 now for the Limestone Lightning. The ball is marked at the 35-yard line. Less than 32 seconds left on the clock. Pride on the carry, 64. Dave Baseckley on the stop. They lost a couple there. And that's going to do it for the 1st quarter. We're going to take a break as it winds down. Less than a second. That's it. So we take a break. We'll put a fresh set of 10 on the clock, catch some water. We'll get ready to go. Incomplete bar, the intended receivers. Galloway was trying to fish him out. It'll be Third down now for the Limestone Lightning. Clock stops down, 48 left to go here in the first half. We're scoreless. Both teams taking away what each other likes to do.
Oh, they're in trouble now. He's in that open field. He didn't have much left to go.
Galloway keeps it himself, catching the heat from the Snakes. 42 on the stop. That's Oglesby, James Oglesby. Oh, the Lightning faced with a fourth down situation. 4th and 2. Louisville's cut it to 9 with 15:39 left to go in the ball game. It's 40-49. Timeout Lightning. They want to chat about. Ball turned over on downs, and the Snakes will take over. 1st and 10 Snakes. So a topsy-turvy first half. Nobody able to score. The Snakes are headed some beautiful field position. It'll be 1st and 10 Snakes.
Not today, baby. It's not happening.
The ball will be located on the 43.5. This is the first time we've seen Alsop run the offense. Doing quite a job for them, and here we go.
They're bad because if you're rushing, you can run.
28 had it, the ball poked out. The Limestone Lightning come up with it. It'll be 1st and 10, Limestone Lightning. 24 gets the fumble recovery. That's Rod Ramsey. So it'll be 1st and 10 for the Lightning. So Galloway will get a fresh set of 4 and get the take over just almost where he was when he was trying to pick up that first down a while ago. 1st and 10 now for the Lightning.
She would have put you cooking. We would have shown. Yes. She is going to be
Eight ran it, 6 on the stop, Strauss. 8 is Pride, and they downed it right there. About a 5-yard pickup for the Lightning. With 7:53 left to go here in the first half. Pride on the run, stopped by 24.
Stop by 24? Yeah. You sure? Yes.
Lytle on the stop, Ronnie Lytle. And the Limestone Lightning pick up a fresh set of 4. And this is the first time that the Lightning's been in the Snake territory as the ball rests just on the 37-yard line. Hicks on the carry, number 34, tripped up by Strauss. And it'll be 2nd down, not before he picks up a good 5 yards. It'll be 2nd and 5 as the Lightning's using the running game effectively. Ball on the 32-yard line.
Exactly right, buddy. When you can do that, there's nothing. Oh, there's nothing that you want to do more so than run that football. If you can do it, do it. Never put her in there if I can run it.
33-yard touchdown run for Galloway as he finds the end zone. PAT attempted order, touchdown Galloway, touchdown Lightning. And the clock reads 6:22 as the Lightning strikes first.
Why did Mississippi State?
Support the Mississippi State winners.
I don't think he turned his helmet back.
Good. No, wide. Wide left.
He is 60.
Lightning.
McCravy's kick is a little to the left. And so with 6:22 left, your score. Limestone Lightning 6, Snakes nothing. Marcus Johnson will be kicking it off for the Lightning, back deep for the Snakes. It'll be Oglesby, number 12. Also,
Stay back. 24, so we don't give it to 10.
24, Ronnie Lytle on the return. 10 on the stop, that's Eric Jones, and that's why the Snakes will take over we first and 10. Snakes. Well, it's 52-40 with 13-10 left to go in the ball game. West Virginia's on top.
It's and Bobby Knight was so funny after the interview Thursday night. It was the best. Did y'all watch it?
I didn't see it. That's 28, down about 50.
Oglesby on the carry, Cantrell on the stop. Second down.
Now the coach for West Virginia has a kid playing on the team. Timeout.
Timeout on the field. We got a man down. It looks like Watkins, number 6. Dominique Watkins.
Coach Knight. I guess not. That'll be the end.
That's classic Bobby Knight. No!
If I wanted you to hear, I'd have got on the PA system and told the whole arena.
You got a bad attitude.
Oh, I like it. That is a stupid question. It's personal.
Yeah, I did. That has nothing to do with you. That's one.
64. One on the carry, 64 on the start.
Hathaway on the carry, number 1, 64 on the stop. Kenyatta Prescott. Third down now for the Eagleville Snakes. 5:18 left to go in the first half. They're going to try to even it up at 6s. Ball on the 34. And let's call it 33.5. Hathaway on the carry, not for sure who tripped him up, but it's good enough for a first down. Dove forward to pick up the fresh set of forward.
That's on the TV. Oh, I thought the same thing.
First and 10.
Down here. Well, it was kind of perfect timing.
Ooh. 28 Oglesby on the carry, 84 on the stop. That's Dexter Simmons.
I don't know. Tudor Paul's gone. The quarterback they're running with Awesome. This is their third quarterback for the season. Turner, one.
Hathaway on the carry, Turner on the stop, number 79. Third down now for the Eagleville Snakes. We reached the 3:07 mark. Alsop on the carry, Ramsey on the stop, and the Snakes moving into Lightning territory. Alsop catches himself a fresh set of field for the Snakes. It'll be first and 10 Snakes. $17-yard pickup, one of the biggest of the day for the Snakes. Ball now marked at the 44 of the Lightning, 2:24.
That's good play action, Eddie. It was good. It was nice.
Alsop's pass is batted in the air by number 74. We got a flag on the play. Harris talking it over with Craig Dunn and company.
It's an illegal procedure for the false start because the ball actually went on. It'd be illegal procedure. Yeah.
Illegal procedure is called against the Eagleville Snakes. That'll back them up 5. It's first and 15. The ball's on the 49. And we're at the 2-minute mark. Alsop is sacked by number 12, Brian the heat-seeking missile, along with number 50, Jordan Cantrell. The duo catches Alsop in the backfield. And the Snakes are operating in reverse. And second and 22 for them. 1:22 left to go. Timeout, Snakes.
Well, that was week 2.
And Patino has cut it to 4. It is 54-50 with about 10 minutes left to go in the ball game. keeps it, and Cantrell's there on the stop. Also picks up about 5 yards. And we're under a minute.
Run, play. This is close.
Timeout, Snakes.
And you're still gonna do it?
Before they game.
It completed to Hathaway, brought down by 12. Brian, the heat-seeking missile, over 29 seconds and the clock's moving.
Burton was 4th down. They didn't get the first. Spike it. Spike it. You're right.
Tion Anderson intercepts it.
What?
Anderson on the pick, his first pick of the day. Ball will be brought out to the 20. It will be 1st and 10 Lightning with 7 ticks remaining. Galloway will take a knee and that'll do it. We'll see you in about 10, gentlemen.